tuna.
Ziva, I think, can smell Sarah's tuna sandwiches she's making. She's got a funny meow, hasn't she? She can't meow properly. Freya can smell the tuna sandwiches as well. We took Freya to Scentral Bark, just outside of Aberdeen, in a place called Udny. She had a great time. And this is Freya's experience at the play park from her perspective. Very roughly put together, but I hope you enjoy. Freya, come here, come on. Go on then. Want to go through there? Good catch. Can I have it? No. There. There. Yeah. Sniffing the plants. If I. There. You got it. You got it. Have your ball, Freya. Have your ball. Have it. Don't let me have it. Collection of balls which Freya absolutely loves. What it used to be. Oh no! There's no balls here anymore. Ah, that's a shame. Oh, there you are. There's no ball, Freya. I'm just gonna have to make do with tennis balls instead. Is that okay? Ah, that's disappointing. No. There's no balls. Oh well. Come on, Freya, let's go and get a tennis ball instead. Oh, you got the tennis ball, you found it. Can I have it? Can I have the tennis ball, Freya? Go, go. We're not supposed to be eating, yeah? We're supposed to be getting our steps in. You don't need to replenish them just yet. There. found, Freya? What you found? Come on, Freya. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Freya. Freya. You enjoy that, Freya? Did you enjoy the park? Camera shy. We've just got home and then Freya has just taken herself into bed for a nap. And I thought I'd have a nap as well. Why not? You okay?